Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix image position or how you can lock the image in Microsoft Word. So I will show you the step by step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are, this is Microsoft Word, and here we have some text. Okay, we have text box also. Let me delete it. Okay, here we have image. So while I typing here, you can see if I enter, the image will be move like this. Okay, if you want to fix this or lock this position, simply select that image. Okay, right click on it, and here go to the wrap text and you can select that square. Okay, now here you can see I can write from here, but when I start right from top and hit the enter, the image are moving. So for that you need to just again go to the right click on it, go to the wrap text, and here we need to click on fix position on page. Now let me try. You can see now it's not moving, and we can write around that image. Okay, if you don't want to, okay, so here that is how you can fix or log your image on the Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.